A story within a story. People like stories. Fabian and I both love to read, write, and draw storybooks. Today we are going to tell you a children's story we created as part of our life stories about growing together in St. Vincent Island this year. I'm Jan, a Peace Corps response volunteer currently serving at St. Vincent and the Grenadines, East Caribbean, working in primary schools to help literacy education by teacher training.
Hi, I am Fabian, a student in grade 6 in one of our schools that Jan is working for, and my mother is a teacher in that school too. Jan taught me how to create digital artwork and write stories.
Fabian shared with me his culture and history. His family took me around the beautiful island, including La Soferia, an active volcano which erupted in 2020 to 2021, forcing all schools closed for a year. That's the reason for my Peace Corps service here now.
The teller of our story is how parrot and dove saved St. Vincent Island.
Vincent parrot is the national bird of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Dove is the bird on the logo of the Peace Corps.
Once upon a time, a dragon flew from west. He saw St. Vincent Island with trees and flowers, tall mountains by the sea. He liked it, so he stayed.
One day, another dragon flew from east. He saw St. Vincent Island with the trees and the flowers, tall mountains by the sea. He liked it, so he also stayed.
But Western Dragon was not happy to live with another dragon nearby. He challenged Eastern Dragon. "This is not your island. You must leave." Eastern Dragon replied, "But I like this island. I want to stay too."
Western Dragon roared, "Go away!" Eastern Dragon also roared, "No!" Fire came from Western Dragon's mouth. Thunder and lightning appeared above Eastern Dragon's head.
A brave Vincent parrot flew over and called out to the two dragons, "We want to be your friends, but we only welcome kind dragons to live on our island." He tried to stop the fight, but he was not strong enough to control the two big dragons.
Then a wise dove appeared. She shouted, "The volcano La Soferia is erupting. You must help us, or we will die together." Then they all saw big smoke and heard loud rumbling from the mountain.
The two dragons flew together to La Soferia. Western Dragon sucked in the fire from the volcano crater, and Eastern Dragon poured water to cool the lava streams.
When the eruption stopped, the two dragons thanked the parrot and the dove for their advice. They decided to live peacefully with all the local animals and the Vincentian people on this beautiful island, happily ever after.
We hope you liked our life story as well as our story about St. Vincent.